Welcome back, viewers. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has stirred a controversy after calling a former bishop an idiot for criticizing the performance of his government. The barb targeted at Givargis Mar Kurilos, a former Syrian Jacobite bishop, has blown into a massive controversy, with the Kerala Chief Minister facing a massive backlash. Pinarayi Vijayan was reportedly angry over a Facebook post put up by the former bishop. The Kerala Chief Minister unleashed the attack on the priest while presenting a progress report of the state for the year 2023-24. Speaking at Thiruvananthapuram, Vijayan said he had come across reports on a former bishop's statement that his CPM-led LDF party came power banking on floods. He then ridiculed this, saying that there could be idiots among bishops as well. Today, the ex-bishop Givargis also issued a clarification, saying that he will not react to personal attacks. Let's listen in to the reactions.
മാധ്യമത്തിൽ പഴയ ഒരു പുരോഹിതന്റെ വാക്കുകൾ കാണാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞു. പ്രളയമാണ് അന്ന് ഈ സർക്കാരിനെ വീണ്ടും അധികാരത്തിലേറ്റാൻ ഇടയാക്കിയത്. ഇനിയൊരു പ്രളയം ഉണ്ടാകുമെന്ന് ധരിക്കേണ്ട എന്നാണ് ആ പുരോഹിതൻ പറഞ്ഞതായിട്ട് കണ്ടത്. പുരോഹിതന്മാരുടെ ഇടയിലും ചിലപ്പോൾ ചില വിവരദോഷികളുണ്ടാവും എന്നതാണ് ആ വാചകത്തിലൂടെ വ്യക്തമാകുന്നത്. നമ്മളാരും ഇവിടെ വീണ്ടും ഒരു പ്രളയം ഉണ്ടാകണമെന്ന് ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നില്ല. പക്ഷേ നേരിട്ട ദുരന്തം
ഞാൻ അവിടെ അവസാനിച്ചു, ആ വിഷയം അവിടെ അവസാനിച്ച് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞതാണ്. അതിനപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് ഇപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് എനിക്കൊന്നും പറയാനില്ല. ഇനി ആ കാര്യത്തിലൊരു പ്രതികരണമില്ല. വ്യക്തിപരമായ പരാമർശങ്ങളോട് ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കലും ഒരിടത്തും പ്രതികരിച്ചിട്ടില്ല.
So that was the two main cast members speaking in a very rainy Kerala. Now let us bring to you an excerpt from the Facebook post that triggered the Kerala Chief Minister. The post criticized the CPM-led LDF government's poor performance in the just concluded Lok Sabha polls. Givargis condemned the LDF government's declining standards and said floods and the pandemic will not always come to the party's rescue. This reportedly irked the Kerala Chief Minister, who vented out at the priest. The scathing attack on a priest invited severe criticism from the opposition, while the BJP accused Pinarayi Vijayan and his party of double standards towards Christian churches. Kerala State Congress unit has demanded his resignation. Let's listen into the political reactions.
It is a practice of the Chief Minister of Kerala abusing the important persons. We have already made such an allegation that they are saying that our government is left. But unfortunately, he is following the right extreme policy of Narendra Modi. Always he is deviating to the right extreme wing. That was the allegation against. Anybody can criticize the government. Who is he? He is not a god. Even the gods are criticized in these days. Now the Chief Minister, he will never tolerate any criticism against him.
Pinarayi Vijayan silent on Jeffrey Tangal, a Muslim priest. He was criticized. He also criticized Pinarayi Vijayan, but he is keeping silence on Jeffrey Tangal. But he is angry on the Christian priest. This is the double stand of the CPM party in Kerala. CPM party is trying to woo the Muslim fundamental organizations so that they are criticizing, attacking other religions. Hindu Christian leaders are always attacked by the CPM party and the Chief Minister.